So when I created my chart, you'll recall my first steps. I selected the data, I went to insert, and I inserted my chart. Where did my chart show up? Yeah, it showed up on the existing sheet, the active sheet. So now I've got my spreadsheet and the chart on one sheet. This is great because now I've got the spreadsheet up above with the actual data and the chart down below, and we can compare between the two. Easy and accessible. But by doing this, my chart, it might take up too much space, it might cover something up, they're in two different spots, it's just maybe too much clutter in one spot. What I'd like to do is take the chart and put it on its own worksheet. Get a much larger chart out there where I can manage that chart all by itself. Take a look. This is a quick, simple change here. One little change. Move the chart to its own sheet. Watch this. So I'm going to select my chart. That's the first step. Anytime you're ever going to manipulate the chart, make sure you select the chart. With it selected, I'll go to my Design tab, top of my screen. On the far right, you got Move Chart. I'll give that a click. I'm going to change it from As Object In, which is currently inside of my Q1 sheet, to its new sheet, its own sheet. And I'll give this a name. This will be the Monthly Budget Chart. And I'll hit OK. And now I've got a brand new sheet there, Monthly Budget Chart, and it's got the chart all by itself. A nice big chart where I can format it, maybe make the numbers bigger. And I can grab this, what is that? The blue, the phones, and I can make those numbers bigger. Let's go to my Home tab and bump that up a few. Let's go up to like 12 and make that bold. I can really start to maintain this chart all by itself. Okay? It's on its own sheet. Nothing else to bump into and cover up. And now I got much more real estate, much more space inside of there to start to make things a little more separation and a little bit larger. So try this out. One simple little change. Select your chart, go to the Design tab, far right you'll find Move Chart and Location, and put it on its own sheet. And there you have it. Try it out.